Welcome to Friday Night SmackDown, and we kick off with a great match here. It's Jim The Anvil Neidhart, one half of the Hart Foundation,
The following contest is
who will be facing the Demon King.
To the ring from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim The Anvil Neidhart.
He knows all about the trouble that the Hitman has gotten himself into with the Faces of Fear, and tonight about to add his considerable power behind that battle as he takes on the Demon King one-on-one. The Hart Foundation will face the Faces of Fear for the tag team titles at Money in the Bank. But this rivalry has been going on for some time now. Brave man, Jim Neidhart. And Demon King about to make his appearance here. Also on the card tonight, Shawn Michaels, Ultimate Warrior, Dolph Ziggler, the WWE Champion Archangel is here. Not to mention the Nature Boy, Ric Flair, will be in action tonight. All the greatest hits, Batista, as well as Drew McIntyre. It's an appearance on SmackDown tonight, and here comes the Demon King. Oh, he's not alone. The guest is coming down with him tonight.
And his opponent, at a combined weight of 465 pounds, Demon King, the WWE Tag Team Champion, the Jester, and the Faces of Fear.
So the Jester will be accompanying Demon King down to the ring tonight. And this is a no DQ match, so if you add all of that up, it suddenly doesn't look that good for Jim The Anvil Neidhart, does it? And the tag team champions coming down. They are a dangerous pair, this two. There's no mistake about it. Now they have Jim The Anvil Neidhart all to themselves. But the Demon King should be put here to dispatch of Neidhart all by himself. He might not need the Clown Prince of the fantasy universe, Neidhart.
Big time handicap
Yeah,
match
you see
underway
the
here.
Jester. Whoa.
Neidhart
Neidhart is coming straight after the Jester.
Even Saxton can see that.
And the Jester looking to defend himself. Oh, he goes after Neidhart there. Maybe going after the Jester was not such a smart idea. And the Demon King now taking it to him. And the Jester there getting himself involved at the back.
Here. And it could be a long way down from there.
Look at this, the Demon King now.
Look at this, right to the
please,
body.
Jim Neidhart, who is not a small man, folks. You can see the Jester.
Nice
A
cat
massive
kick,
kick there, and another one for good measure from the Jester.
Guys, it's imperative he gets back in the ring.
Neidhart's back in the ring now.
Looking at a count out.
Demon King.
Oh, kick
massive
to the
kick
face.
there.
Oh my God. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Oh, massive kick there again from the Demon King, who gets out of the ring.
I don't know what he has planned out here, but he must be mindful of the referee's count.
The referee is counting the Jester. Is he officially a member of this match?
Bravo.
Well, he
to
will
the
be
voters
now.
this past week. It seems they finally got the rankings right.
Oh, down goes the referee, and down goes Jim Neidhart as well. The Jester here got no intention of doing anything in this match. And the Demon King, Neidhart will pick up the win, but I think the Faces of Fear have made their point. They will settle this at Money in the Bank. Wow, what a way to start off SmackDown, guys. Catch you in the next one. I'm out.